Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and today I want to teach you a trick that I use all the time in Procreate, and I don't know if you know about it because when I first started drawing, I definitely didn't know about this. So let's get started. So did you know that when you're working with any brush, you can save the exact size you're working on and then go back to this size whenever you need? This is what this line means. So let me show you. If I'm working with this brush and I say, okay, this may be too light, and then I say, oh, I really like this size. Then I start illustrating something. Let's say we do like a tomato, right? And I start illustrating it. It is a very quick tomato, but you get the idea. And then I want to go and color it in, and I'll make this larger, and then I've lost this size. So what you can do is you can click on it and click the plus, and now it has created this second line, you see? Before I had one line, now I have two. So when I now move the slide, I can simply click on my lines and go back to this size. So let's say I want to now color this and paint the tomato, and I made this larger so I could color quickly. Once I have finished coloring this, if I want to edit my lines again, all I have to do is click on here, and I know that whatever I draw now, it's gonna be in the same size of the original line that I saved. So yeah, this is a trick that I use all the time for my favorite brushes. I have a few of the sizes that I tend to like, and you can change brush. You can see that in this one I don't have anything saved, but then if I go back to that brush, it will save for all my files in all my Procreate. So I hope you find this useful. Let me know in the comments as always if you knew about this trick, and I'll see you next week in another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!